Page 22, Michael row the boat ashore. The main reason we're doing this is for the repeat signs. So we're going to, in effect, play this piece twice. We're going to repeat it. And that's really the only new thing they're showing you. You do have a pickup measure here, because this is in 4/4 time. Every measure is supposed to have 4 counts. But that first measure only has 2. It's okay, because you look at the last measure, it's got 2. And you put them together and, yeah, have a party or whatever. So it's okay. That's really all I have to say. I just don't have a lot to say. This is in middle C position. Let's play it together, just to check the notes and everything, to make sure it's all right. I have been counting out loud because that helps some people and messes other people up. I think I'm just going to count out loud on the measures of the notes where you have to hold them out, to make sure you hold them out the right number of counts, and not everything. Hopefully I don't need to count out loud on everything for you. And if you need to, you ought to be able to count out loud to yourself, although usually you count out loud, I mean you count to yourself, not out loud. Well, whatever. Since it has 2-beat pickup, I'm only going to give us 2 counts. So I'm just going to go ready, go, and we go. Yeah. So be ready to go. There, okay. Ready, go. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, off. There is a duet part at the bottom of the page. So if you have somebody around who plays piano, you can play a duet with them. I'm going to play this duet part here in the video so that you can play with me if you want to. That pickup measure, you have these 2 quarter notes at the beginning. The duet part doesn't have anything. I have a rest, so I'm not playing until the first full measure. So you get the first 2 notes by yourself, and then I'll come in and play. So I'm going to go ready, go, and then you play those 2 notes. And then when you play that D in the right hand, I start in there. And we are going to repeat this, so let's try it and see how it goes. This is a middle C position for you. I got something else. Ready, go. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Repeat. 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2. Off.